It's not working.
So at this time, we are walking towards the train. The train is about to arrive and Grand Station where we are going to be boarding. So I took first class in this trip. The section we are moving to is the beginning of the pillar right there in front. That's where the first class people are going to be, the passenger are going to be, boarding the train. As you can see, the pillar one and two there. Yeah, the guy is just advising that we are going to use pillar one and two on board, and you can see there from afar that the train is approaching. For people going via the business class, they are like three pillars away, I think 4, 5, and 6. Then the other section, which is the other direction over the bridge, you will see the economic class passenger moving toward that directions. So the economic class itself has capacity of over 500, I think 555 or 65 thereabout. And then people still sometimes, choose to stand up throughout the trip.
Bros, is that the train?
Yes.
Oh, check. Capture the train when it comes.
It's me traveling. I'm waiting for a train.
Okay.
Yeah, so stressful time like that. So stressful. Never been like that. Yeah. It's very let's see. First time I'm riding this
Beautiful moment for the train when it comes. It's gonna be a beautiful moment. Look at these people. Sure. Okay, now the train is coming. See people. They are still on the rack. They are not even afraid. They don't care. Here comes the train, here comes the train. This is the train we are riding to Ibadan.
As you can see, the train is fast approaching. There you go. There you go.
Do we still have to go? We have to go.
So for some reason, I decided to enter through the business class
Go from here.
entrance so that I can do some coverage for you guys. So you see how the business class is. From my own experience, I think the business class is also very good, comfortable, and very similar to the aircraft setting. Times of the time of the sitting arrangement, as you can see right now, I'm moving down in the aisle.
Yeah, how many phone?
So one thing I did and I didn't do very well was I choose to carry all my baggage myself. As you can see, that guy
Thank
is
you.
being paid. He's not bribed. He's just being paid for what he did. He supported the man by carrying the heavy luggage. I didn't do like that. I didn't do that. I was just uh, too proud to, give it a shot with these guys to help me out. But it was not easy for me. So if you have a very heavy load, try and use those guys and pay them some money. At least they use that to feed themselves, and then you used to have a very easy PC. Walk from the office down to the train to on board. You can see this is my seat. This is where the first class seat is. As it's very roomy, very big. You can stretch. There is no way your leg is gonna touch the next passenger right in front of you. So this train is moving at this time, and we've already started the journey. As you can see, I'm trying to show you some of the outside view as we are transiting towards the city of Ibadan. There's some cool music that are, being played on the underground. And in this train, you have the opportunity to also, buy food. If you're so much hungry, they have catering services that they serve food to passengers. But I mean, I didn't take any of those things because I wasn't hungry. I wasn't hungry rather, and I don't see the need for me to, just buy for no reason. So I decided not to eat anything. It's just like an hour and a half away. So okay. And see those houses. You see some of the bush behind those houses that are fenced across the train stations. One thing is that I expected those places to be well kept. I mean, government should take responsibility of those so that people will not use those, bushes as an ambush or to orchestrate any evil plans. In my own view, but I mean, it appears there is an estate. That's an estate across the fence. Just that we have some dirt, some grasses, bush, at the other side. So as you can see.
It's easy. We're taking about 5
Another thing is that along the line, I could see those garbage area that are very close to where people live. So not interesting. Shouldn't be having that in Lagos as we have it right now. I think the government needs to do a better job in that area. This is the train lane. This is the train transit point where they can obviously see that people are using it to dump garbages. This time we've already approached Agege train station, and then some people are going to be on boarding and people are going to be coming in as well. So it is so effective because uh, the train doesn't take that much of the time. Within 1 or 2 minutes, they are done. With people coming in and out, boarding and unboarding, and then the train continues. That's very good in terms of throughput, in terms of managing waiting time. I decided to make this video very short because I will be putting in part two of it. So if you're interested to see the part two of this journey from Lagos to Ibadan, please stay tuned. We will be dropping the part two of the train transit, moving from Lagos to Ibadan. So thank you. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and we'll bring you more interesting